This is a short tutorial to get you familiar with how to use the mockup file for a custom sneaker. You need to open up the Photoshop file, and when you download this folder, you'll notice it has two files in it. It has an AI and it has a PSD. You need to open up the PSD. This AI is linked to the PSD, and when you watch this tutorial, you'll understand what I'm referring to. So from my window, I need to wake up so I can see on my screen the layers and also properties. These are the two power players here. The layers panel has red indicated in the layers that you will be working with. The first one we'll click on is this. This has some effects added to it, but you actually just need to put your cursor in there so that this layer becomes gray. And from over here, click Edit Contents. And this will take you, sorry, I was fooling around with this before I started the tutorial. This will take you to this file. I'll go back again. This is the file. So Edit Contents wakes up that Illustrator file. And to show you how this works, if you were to change anything in this, let's say we just wanted to add a solid color over this. So I'm just going to create a color, and I'm going to make it yellow and change the opacity so it interacts with the colors in this. Maybe I'll change it to pink. Yeah, okay. So I will make that change. In your case, you're going to be just deleting all the contents in this AI file and putting your own amazing design in there. So it's really important that you always tell Illustrator you're saving your work because it needs this information in order to update the Photoshop file. So now let's go back to Photoshop, and it is updated. Next, on that lower on the stack of your layers is something called spine color. If you get into that layer and double click the orange, it's referring to the subtle little part of the shoe design, which is the back of the spine. So you could click on that, and just to show you, I'll assign kind of a dark color so you can see that. So the spine color has now changed. The next layer down is the sole color. So I have to get into that layer, double click that adjustment layer, and I can change that color. Maybe I'll go with the blue, dark blue maybe. And the last element I'm going to customize are the laces. So I get into that layer and double click that adjustment layer, and maybe I'll make something softer and click OK. So that is the basics on how to use the sneaker mockup. So have fun and create something amazing and enjoy.